Hello guys, this is Zaro Castaneda, and this is gonna be a fast video on a tutorial how to enter a marketplace even it is full. Okay, let's do this. Okay, just press tab. Just press tab. Okay, you can see there's a square yellow line. Just press tab and tab and tab until can get to the marketplace you want. Okay, you can see it is full. Okay, so proceed. Okay, there's no T-pass in this, guys. Okay, as you can see, no T-pass. Okay, goodbye. Like and subscribe.